Oh, that tickles.
This is the first time I've seen a chair laugh. I only laugh when someone with a light-hearted soul sits on me. But if someone angry... Oh, then I must sit again to make you laugh.
Oh, then I must sit again to make you laugh.
Meow.
Meow.
One day, yellow mama cat and little orange tabby daughter cat went to the library.
This watermelon can talk!
Dear, today's breakfast is going to be interesting.
I am the magical watermelon. Whoever catches me will win a sweet surprise. I am the magical watermelon. Whoever catches me will win a sweet surprise.
Mom, it's so naughty.
Fine, my magic is over. Now you can eat me.
Remember, eating fruits with laughter makes them taste even sweeter.
Wow.
Dear, today we learned that laughter makes everything, even fruits, magical.
Mom, can we take the watermelon home?
Only if we promise to laugh every day.
Meow! 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 Mom, every day should be a fruit game day.
Yes, laughter makes everything taste better. Tomorrow, we can invite our friends to join the fruit game.
Yes, more laughter means more fun.
Mom, I think this watermelon is our funniest friend now.
Yes, laughter truly turns everything magical.